हेलो एंड वेलकम टू अवर शो सुनहरे पन्ने। और आज मैं मौजूद हूँ ममता गुडियाल मैम के साथ, हु इज़ अ बैंकिंग एक्सपर्ट विद ओवर 20 years of experience, and she's also a well-trained trainer and a speaker, and also a founder of MG Warriors, a Niti Aayog mentor for change. We welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
So, ma'am, my very first question to you is, can you describe your journey being a social worker so far?
सोशल वर्कर की अगर मैं जर्नी की बात करूं तो मुझे याद आते हैं कुछ वो पल जब मैं ट्रेनिंग करवा रही थी अपने स्टूडेंट्स की.
जी.
एंड आई रिमेम्बर द मंथ ऑल्सो एंड ईयर ऑल्सो. इट वाज दिसंबर 2018. ट्रेनिंग के बाद क्या हुआ कि क्रिसमस चल रहा था, क्रिसमस का मौका था और हमने सोचा ओके अपने हेल्पर्स के लिए, बिकॉज दे आर द पीपल इन द बैक एंड दे सपोर्ट अ लॉट टू अस. सो आई आस्क्ड ऑल माय टीम मेंबर्स जो भी ट्रेनिंग के दौरान थे कि चलो इनके लिए कुछ करते हैं, कुछ स्वीट्स लेके आते हैं. एंड दे
Okay.
फेल्ट रियली वेल and everyone was so happy now after that. The inner happiness I could see in their eyes. And so we thought okay, let's do it every time कि कुछ ना कुछ हर बार करने की कोशिश करते हैं. सो इस तरीके से मैं कहूँगी मेरा प्रोफेशनल जर्नी जो कि बैंकिंग सेक्टर में थी, एंड देन सोशल सर्विसेज, ये एक तरीके से जो कि मेरा पर्सनल इनर हैप्पीनेस के लिए थी ये जर्नी, वो एक तरीके से वहां से शुरुआत हुई उसकी. एंड इट टुक इट वाज अ कंसिस्टेंट एफर्ट. एंड वो टीम एक बिल्ट हुई, वहीं से ही वही लोग जो है मेरे वॉरियर्स बने. वो फर्स्ट वॉरियर थे, आज भी वो वॉरियर मौजूद हैं. एंड देन वी ग्रेजुअली स्टार्टेड डूइंग स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग. द ओनली थिंग वाज कि हम कंसिस्टेंट रहे. और हम कुछ ना कुछ एफर्ट्स आज भी कर रहे हैं. एंड नाउ वी आर अक्रॉस 15 स्टेट्स. तो ये एक बहुत ही अच्छी चीज है एंड वी आर डेवलपिंग मोर एंड मोर. So it started with only helping the supporting staff, but then it went to child abuse, women empowerment and lot more activities. एंड ये जर्नी उसके बाद इस तरीके से शुरू हुई कि वो मुझे अच्छा लगने लगा. एंड इनर हैप्पीनेस की जो तलाश होती है ना एक टाइम के बाद, आज की बिजी लाइफ में, वो इनर हैप्पीनेस मुझे कहीं ना कहीं मिलने लगी, वो सुकून अंदर मिलने लगा. और फिर मैंने सोचा व्हाई नॉट डाइव डीप इनटू दिस. एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड associating with lot of NGOs. I get into the women empowerment and child abuse also. So इस तरीके से वो जर्नी और स्ट्रेंथन होती गई, मैं और प्रोग्राम्स एक्टिविटीज करती गई. एंड अपनी नॉलेज को, जो मेरी बैंकिंग करियर की नॉलेज है, उसको भी मैं आगे उसको यूटिलाइज करने लगी लोगों के वेलफेयर के लिए. सो वी स्टार्टेड डूइंग द ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स नॉट ओनली विद रिस्पेक्ट टू चाइल्ड अब्यूज but also when it comes to the financial awareness of the people. So financial literacy programs हमने शुरू करे, women empowerment के लिए, नए females के लिए, जो aspiring females होती हैं उनको कैसे हम empower करें. तो वो बैंकिंग को मैं कहीं ना कहीं जो मेरी नॉलेज थी उसको मैं सोशल सर्विस में लाके, एंड आई ट्राई टू हेल्प देम आउट. इवन सिंस आई एम अ कोच एज वेल, ट्रेनिंग एक पार्ट है बट कोच ही भी मैं हूँ, एनएलपी कोच के साथ एसीसी कोच भी मैं हूँ. सो वहां पे मेरा मेंटल वेलनेस का जो एक नॉलेज जो है, एंड दैट कोविड के समय पे कितना हम लोगों ने इस चीज को, मेंटल वेलनेस को हमने फील करा है. That was a time when I started giving a free coaching sessions to all those who were in the depression state. And in fact we created a cell who were with those people to understand their things. So I tried to coach my team members how to deal and help those people. And we helped almost 19 people to get out of those stress. And कई तो ऐसे थे जो कि सुसाइड मोड पे थे. And so it was really, now when I look back, it is very overwhelming and I feel very satisfied with my life, that it is not only, so the purpose is very clear for me for the life.
Okay.
And that is what I feel, that you need to know that what is the purpose of your life. And I felt after the first time when I started this, that my purpose is something different and I need to work towards it. Yes, position, power comes, but then you need to know that it should be aligned with your purpose. and then you can give back to the society. That is how you can utilize your power position in a right way, your knowledge in a right way. So that is my journey about social
Okay,
welfare.
that's a great initiative you have taken.
Hmm.
And if we talk about the way you said warriors, right? So, what was the vision behind MG Warriors?
MG Warriors. So people used to call me MG.
Okay.
My name is Mamta Godial, and
Hmm.
MG is the initial. And since those were my warrior and the first time we started, so it was like मेरे warriors है ये, मेरे warriors. So it is like अपनापन जो होता है ना, ये मेरा ग्रुप है, ये मेरी टीम है, and we are going to do it for the mankind and giving back to the society. So it was like that, and it developed and it continued, and it was a really good journey for me.
And you also talk about the healing, एक peaceful चीजें मिलती है जब आप किसी के लिए काम करते हैं. तो if we talk about life stages like school life, college life, corporate life, and हम ऐसे ऐसे क्या कर सकते हैं that we should also feel because it's a very busy schedule. If you talk about day to day life, हम इतने busy हो जाते हैं कि हम अपनी hobbies को भी भूल जाते हैं. We are not giving priority to ourselves. So हमें उस time पे क्या करना चाहिए?
So, see, we all have gone through the life stages. Right now, because I got the opportunity, I took a break because of my child to, guide him and nurture him in a right way. So, I got the opportunity to once again connect with the college students.
Okay.
And I have, I've been a guest faculty for a lot of institutes. So, I got to know that, okay, what is the mindset of today's generation? And what is that the corporate life actually wants from today's generation right now. So there is a lot of gap. Okay, so जब कॉलेज वाली लाइफ जब हम देखते हैं, इट इज मस्ती, ठीक है, इंडिपेंडेंस मिल गया उनको, पावर आ गई है, बिकॉज स्कूल डेज के अंदर पावर नहीं होती है, मम्मी पापा के कंट्रोल में होते हैं. देन यू कम टू कॉलेज, उसके बाद लगता है ओके मम्मी पापा का कंट्रोल अभी खत्म, अब हम बड़े हो गए हैं, तो वो पावर आती है एंड यू फील लाइक वेरी पावरफुल पर्सन, and you start doing the things which you always wanted to, and then you step into the corporate life and things becoming little difficult because the boss wanted, what is this happening? I'm your boss, ye power yahan nahi chalegi, and then again your mummy papa wala life again comes into picture, which you do not like, and that is the difference what comes into picture. So कई बार हम लोग frustrate हो जाते हैं, क्या करें, even everyone in when you come to the career, the things are little difficult. School life में, college life में, still you are able to maintain all your hobbies, whether it is sports, because I was a very I was a national sports person as well.
Okay.
I've played for a lot of things. So sports हो गया, music, dance, writing, everything, at certain point of time you forget, and especially when you come to a career, you join a profession, the things become little there are deadlines, there are lot of stuffs which you have to do it, and then you do not get time for yourself also, you cannot even
Right.
sleep, you do not get time for your mental wellness. Now when we talk about mental wellness, why we are in so much depression is because we are not pursuing our hobbies, which is very much important. We are only focusing on money, 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 and that's it. बट जैसे थाली में सारी चीजें होती है, रोटी, सब्जी, दाल, एंड एवरीथिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट. आई कैन नॉट सर्वाइव विद ओनली रोटी. आई हैव टू हैव अ प्रॉपर मील, एंड दैट इज अबाउट लाइफ. वी हैव टू परस्यू आवर हॉबीज. तो मेरी भी हॉबीज खत्म हो गई थी, एंड आई वांट टू गिव अ लॉट ऑफ क्रेडिट टू Sushil Bharti ji also and Marva Studio for this. And why? Because I once again started my hobby of writing.
Okay.
One of the passion which I was having was a passion of writing, and one book was coming, and then they asked me, because I write but in the social media platform only, and then they said, why not you write and write back, and we are having a book is coming forward, and would you like to are you interested to be a part of it? And I said, why not? एंड देन वो डेडलाइन आ गई फिर से कि ओके ये डेडलाइन है, इस समय तक हमें ये चाहिए. और कई बार हम पोस्टपोन करते रहते हैं, ओके हमें ये लिखना है, लिखेंगे, आज हमारा ये काम है, आज हमारा वो काम है. But then when this deadline came, okay, this book is going to come, and this is the deadline when I have to share my write-ups. So मैंने जब share करा and when it came as a book, I felt really good. उसके बाद मुझे लगा okay, I should write, and whatever acknowledgements I was getting, it was also very encouraging and motivating for me. So I thought, okay, let me just again begin my some of the hobbies which I can pursue, and writing is one of the hobby which I really love a lot.
Okay.
And so I started my journey again, once again, after this book came into picture, and I started a lot. So this is how hobbies are really important to make your mental wellness in place. So this is about the hobbies, and actually everyone should pursue, and especially when it comes to career, whether it is writing or your sports or anything. Otherwise you're just stuck in one particular thing, and then your mental wellness goes for a toss,
Right.
which is very dangerous and harmful.
And if we talk about, as you said about writing, so what do you wanted to like pursue, or maybe what do you want to convey through your poems and the writings?
So writings बहुत strong. I feel that they are not just words, they are emotions. And when we say emotion, sometimes I get ma'am आप क्या बहुत sad हो गया all well. So people doesn't know that okay, emotion can be yours, or it can be captured about what is going around.
Observation and
Observations. So I'm a person who is generally available, not present. So present और available होने में बहुत difference होता है.
right.
So we are present everywhere, but we are
We're
not
not
available. So I generally, whenever I am there, I am available for a person, and for a writer it is very much important to be very observant and to understand what is going on. And for this, listening skills is very much important. A deep listener needs to be there. So ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं बोलती नहीं, मैं बहुत बोलती हूँ, and you can see. But when it comes to observation, and when I want something to learn things, I go into a different mode, and that is a mode of silence. Because in silence, I try to listen more, gather more information, and then capture those emotions, what is going around, and then I'm able to write it down. So there are two forms which I write generally. One is poem nazm, wherein I capture the emotional things which is going on, and हर एक की जिंदगी में जो मैंने ऑब्जर्व करा है, कोई ना कोई एक इमोशन जो है ना वो कहीं दबा हुआ है, किसी के दिल के कहीं किसी कोने में, या तो उसने कैद कर लिया है, उसमें ताला लगा के चाबी कहीं दूर फेंक दी है.
Okay.
और ये हर फेस में मैंने देखा. इट इज नॉट दैट एट अ चाइल्डहुड फेस, बट एट एवरी फेस आई हैव सीन दैट इमोशंस आर समथिंग जो कि आज की डेट में हर किसी के कैद है, और वो चाहता है उन इमोशंस को जीना, बट वो जी नहीं पा रहा है. हर स्टेज में कोई ना कोई एक इमोशन है जो वो जी नहीं पा रहा है. एंड दैट इज आई ट्राई टू कैप्चर एंड try to convey to the other people that there are ways through which you can live, and it is not that you have to keep your emotions locked. Find out ways. There are a lot of ways through which you can live your emotions, and experiencing your emotion is absolutely fine. It's okay. Sometimes I also cry. There are people who cry out loud. There are people who feel like okay, nahi, hum nahi ro sakte hain, we are strong. So we are labeling ourselves, which is very dangerous, and it's okay to experience your feelings, but उन चीजों को लेके आना, what is going around, is something, one part which I generally write in nazm or poem. And the other part is the life journeys, okay, stories. तो life journeys जहाँ पे मैं समझती हूँ, I really love to connect with people to understand their life journeys, the struggles which they have, the challenges which they have faced, and how they have come across. And उन stories को बाहर लेके आना to other people. So story plays a very powerful, I will not say stories, I'll say life journeys. So these life journeys plays a very powerful tool for millions of people, because एक ने ये चीज एक्सपीरियंस करी है, it can motivate and inspire lot of other people to how to handle such situations. Right. And that is how I write those journeys as well, and bring it out in front of others. And not only I bring it out in front of others, but we reward as well. So we have NGOs wherein we reward such, life journeys which are really inspiring for everyone, and those inspiring journey must come out, in front of others. So that is the writing part, and I write and I try to convey to other that okay, challenges are something uh, you should not break.
Okay.
Those challenges are basically to help you and improve you. A newer version actually comes. So there are two type of people who either break down with the challenges they face, that okay अच्छा बहुत challenges आ गए, मैं तो नहीं कर सकता, and there are other sort of people जो समझते हैं कि नहीं, ये challenges से हम लोग बाहर मैं निकलूंगी, and there is nobody who can stop me, because this is my game, I have to play this game, and how I have to move forward, it is up to me. Nobody can decide my powers. I have my
Right.
powers. I can decide what I can do or not. This is my life and I will not, you know, ऐसा इसको मैं हारते हुए नहीं देख सकती, मैं इसको जीतते हुए देख सकती हूँ, and I can do anything, and that is the determination you should have, and that is the consistency. You can be a warrior or you can be a victim. It is up to ourselves how we need to choose. Either we can only blame the circumstances, इसकी वजह से नहीं हुआ, उसकी वजह से नहीं हुआ, मैं इसलिए नहीं कर रहा क्योंकि मेरे पास टाइम ही नहीं है, काम इतना है. सो दीज आर ऑल विक्टिम कार्ड्स विच वी प्ले. But there are warriors also who know how to go forward, move forward, and live their journeys, and those are the journey which are incredible, and we want to write those journeys and showcase to the other, highlight to the world.
Okay, so that other people can also learn from them.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so moving on to the question about women empowerment and child empowerment. So can you define us about the child and women empowerment? Then what is that?
So child and woman, what is empowerment is basically to have the resources to yourself to move ahead. सो चिल्ड्रन की अगर हम बात करें, अगर बच्चों की बात करें, तो आज की डेट में चाइल्ड अब्यूज इज समथिंग, आज की डेट में क्यों, पहले से ही चाइल्ड अब्यूज और वेरी मच प्रेवलेंट, एंड बच्चे बोल नहीं पाते थे कि उनके साथ चाइल्ड अब्यूज हुआ है. नाउ दीज अवेयरनेस सेशंस आर समथिंग which make everyone aware. So your near and dear one, your family member, your anybody can do the child abuse. So the the child as well as the parent and the society must be aware of the child abuse. What are the abuses? And it is not only physical abuses. There are a lot of forms of abuses which a child actually experience and we are not aware of. So such awareness session actually brings a lot of awareness to the youngsters, to the parents, to the society. uh, Similarly, education is one of the way which empowers the next generation, and we want to and for the women empowerment, if we talk about, we, as I have already discussed, that we are trying to help them out with two things. One is the hygiene factor, which is again a taboo still today, on
Even
the
about this.
menstrual hygiene
Right.
part, which is a taboo. And in our offices also we see that people are, ma'am, ये अगर किसी को होता है तो चुपके से कान में बोलते हैं, and then I speak it very loudly, because I'm the person who is advocating this. I cannot be silently and quietly on the quietly at a corner I'm expressing this. So I say that, why, what is the big deal in this? Okay, you can openly take the pad and you can go. सो ऐसी कोई बिग डील नहीं है, बट स्टिल इट हैपेंस. चुपके से पॉकेट्स में लेके जाते हैं, चुपके से, इवन व्हेन दे गो टू द स्टोर्स,
They wrap it in a black
हाँ.
plastic and bag.
So, I have a मेरा जो सन है, he is now 16-year-old, and we do the same way. We are doing this podcast. We generally, I and my son do a podcast as well for the menstrual hygiene and other awareness
Because this is
sessions.
an education.
Absolutely, I want my son also to be aware of, and he should respect women and such kind of issues, so that my next generation is well empowered. So empowerness is also comes through the awareness, through the sessions, through the education. And for the women who are aspiring and who do not know what are the things which are available, made available by the government, by the other institution, we made them aware. So this is how we uh, talk about in the empowerment
Okay.
sessions.
Talking about women empowerment, if we talk about the rural areas, जहाँ पर I mean, if we talk about the women who are not like getting right education, getting right health sector, because if they don't even know about menopause. I mean, you can if you ask us rural women, okay, what is menopause, or are you dealing with that? They were
True.
like, what is menopause?
Yeah.
And so, do you think that is that should be improved?
Absolutely. So ये बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन पूछा. In fact, I would, answering this, I'll say one thing. When I started my journey of, giving or giving back to the society, one day I went to a NGO, एक child welfare का NGO था, and I donated the blankets to them. Okay, क्योंकि सर्दियों का मौसम था, सर्दियों में हमें क्या समझ में आता है, blankets. I went and I gave along with my warriors, and we gave the blankets to them. And these were the initial days.
Okay.
और जब हमने ब्लैंकेट बांट रहे थे, उसी में से एक बच्चे ने अपने सुपरवाइजर को, जहाँ जो वो सुपरवाइजर होते हैं, उनको बोला, सर ब्लैंकेट तो हमें कितने सारे मिल चुके हैं. And I overheard that, and I was like, okay, so we are not understanding their needs, and we are just imposing what we want to know, give. और जो हमें पता है, समझ में आता है कि ये इसी से ही उनको खुशी मिलेगी. But understanding the challenges first and then supporting them is something which is very important. Right now people go and do lot of things which actually doesn't require that, and you come to know this when you actually start working to it. जब कपड़े बांटने होते, they go and just dump it somewhere. It is not something which is really useful. It is actually making some difference. No, it is not. You need to understand the people difference, what can make the change in their life, and how you are supporting. That is something how you can give back to the society. Not just whatever you know and you are just simply imposing that to the other person. That is not giving back to the
Right.
society. And generally 80% of the time people do this only. So rural area is something very important and rightly said. Still in the metro location, people know. I'll not say 100%, it is
But they
still a
still know.
taboo. But in rural areas, people still are not aware, and neither they have the any availability of such kind of education or awareness sessions. So people are still not aware of such kind of things, but we try to go to those areas wherein people are not getting such helping hands. We try to take the doctors with us and give those health sessions to them. We try to take the medicines also to them, and those whatever hygiene things are required, we try to make them available. But the important factor is, we can only give them once. It is important to have the awareness in place.
Right.
If they know that why it is important, that why is it important for everyone, why it is benefit, what is the benefit for them. If there is no benefit, you come, you give, and that's it, that is over. If they will not feel that, okay, this is something related to my life, if I will not do, then I am the person who is going to get impacted, not
Right.
this person. So that why is very much important to create that awareness. So people generally give the sessions, but they are not able to build that factor, the benefit factor for them. They are simply going giving, and they are okay, ठीक है, next time you again come,
Because they
अगली
know
बार,
that
हाँ,
they will come eventually.
क्योंकि हमने उनको वो बेनिफिट और वो वाला चीज पार्ट नहीं कराया. अगेन दिस
Right.
इज लाइक द सेम थिंग, यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द चैलेंज. सो हर चीज में ना कुछ चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट है. अवेयरनेस सेशन में भी इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू बिल्ड दैट बेनिफिट फैक्टर. If I'm giving in your college, if I'm giving a lecture, but that is not important for you, I'm giving a communication session to you. तो हमने बोला, मेरे को मेरी communication is good, why I need to attend this program? So till the time I will not build that trust that yes, it is important for you, and you also accept that yes, this session is really important for you, there is something for me to learn and implement, then only you will sit and understand. So it is important, which again 80% people doesn't work on this factor.
And if we talk about people like as a responsible citizen, do you think that we should also do some social work? Because if we talk about a single NGO, it can't cover the 100, 120 districts and villages because it's a very wide area, rural,
True.
right? So, and do you think as a child empowerment, we also see child labor in daily life? If we talk
True.
about normal tea stalls, normal restaurants or dhabas, and
Hmm.
we see the child working there, and we still
Hmm.
couldn't stop it. So, do you think as a responsible citizen, we should also take an initiative?
बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट अगेन आई विल से दैट लोग है ना जब कई बार मैं सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म में पिक्चर्स पोस्ट करती हूँ,
Hmm.
शुरुआत में लोगों ने बोला ओ पब्लिसिटी के लिए करा है तुमने, तो आई सेड ओके यस आई लव आई लव टू सी रिफ्लेक्ट बैक and watch those pictures which are giving me inner happiness. You want to take it like that? It's absolutely okay. I don't care. I don't mind. This is for me and I'm loving it. Whatever you want to think, you can think. But then gradually people, started, okay, the version started changing. Okay, we should also, start doing it. So
Hmm.
can we, come along with you? But हमारे पास time नहीं होता है. So I said, time नहीं होता है, then it cannot be a barrier for you.
Hmm.
You can think of other things as well जो कि आप कर सकते हो. So हर एक स्टेज में जैसे स्टूडेंट है उनके पास पैसे नहीं होते, बट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विच कैन डू, their time,
I
their
mean, social
efforts,
media is
their
also free.
energy. Yes, they have lot of things, which they can contribute, which the other people, they can contribute money, but they cannot give that thing. So every stage has something which they can give back to the
Hmm.
society in a meaningful way. But the only thing is they need to understand this thing. अभी क्या होता है ना, लोग सोचते हैं कि मेरे अकेले से क्या ही हो जाएगा. ये भी पहले एक वर्जन
हाँ,
आता
it's a
था.
mindset, right?
हाँ, कि अरे जब हमने भी शुरुआत करा था, एक दो से करने से क्या हो जाएगा. But that one, two, if I'm educating my home, my child, my family, if I'm educating and everyone is contributing, then in one way, if every family start thinking like that, you know, it is not always. So जब भी हम contribution की बात करते हैं ना, जो मैंने जितना भी observe करा
जी.
है, it is always about money, which they feel कि अच्छा पैसा लगेगा. So it is
Hmm.
not like this. There are a lot of other things, as you rightly said, that creativity is also something. We have awareness sessions are also, in place, which now people are understanding that this can be something, a very powerful tool to make everyone aware of. So yes, there can be contribution in a lot of way, and this is something I'll say that it will brings a happiness to you yourself. So खुद को भी अच्छा लगने लगता है, and your emotion quotient, when I
Hmm.
talk about the mental wellness, gratitude is one of the important factor. And gratitude, how we can हम भगवान को कैसे थैंक यू बोल सकते हैं, this is one of the way through which
By
we can
helping
say,
others.
yeah, कि हमें इतना पावरफुल स्टेज पे भेजा है. The powerful stage can be any
Hmm.
ways. या मेरे को इतनी नॉलेज से उन्होंने वो करा है, तो I can leverage that thing and I can help the others.
Right.
So yes, you rightly mentioned that.
Okay, so at last, any message you wanted to give to the people or make them aware about something related to child empowerment or women empowerment or for the social life?
So the message which I want to give, apart from the social life and the other thing, is to understand the purpose of the life. That is very much important. So whether it is youth or when it comes to at any stage, it is important to understand the purpose of your life.
Right.
We generally forget what are we actually trying to achieve from life. So कई बार ऐसा होता है आपकी लाइफ में, ओके कॉलेज में इतने इतने परसेंट आ गया, दैट इज योर अचीवमेंट.
Hmm.
ओके करियर के अंदर ये प्रमोशन मिल गया, दैट इज योर अचीवमेंट. बट एक्चुअली इज इट द पर्पस विच इज मेकिंग यू हैप्पी in a real sense? Is that achievement making you not only happy but creating some kind of memories for life? If yes, then yes, that is something which is a milestone for the ultimate purpose which you are having in your life. So one must have the purpose for life. So if you have a purpose, then understand that, do not, the second message which I want to give is knowledge is really important,
Hmm.
but at the same time EQ is again important, which we are forgetting. The emotional quotient, which I am understanding, is emotional intelligence is going down, and knowledge level, yes, we are attaining the knowledge, but somewhere our emotional factor is going down, which is impacting our mental wellness, and ultimately we can see lot of stress. There are a lot of sessions, and we are understanding that apart from the uh, you know the uh, the lot of physical medications which we are having,
Hmm.
उससे ज्यादा हमें मेंटल मेडिकेशंस की आज की टाइम में जरूरत पड़ गई है,
Hmm.
एंड वी मस्ट टेक दोज मेडिकेशंस.
Right.
बट उस मेडिकेशन के साथ साथ अगर हम स्टार्टिंग में ही अपने इमोशनल क्वोशंट को बैलेंस रखना शुरू कर दें, it is important for us, which we are forgetting. The third message which I would like to give to everyone is listening. So deep listening is something have started responding, we have starting replying to the things instead of responding.
Hmm.
So deep listening, as I was mentioning that, okay, I am very observant sometimes. So some of the times only, huh? Not always. So sometimes when I feel that the purpose is different, I'm very observant, I'm quiet, I understand what is going on, I listen to the other person very deeply without judging. So understand, listen, be available, not be present everywhere. So now networking, as we see that a lot of networking happens, and we are present in all the networking. But what is that thing which is actually helping me through this network? Yes, there are some things which are actually making, but what is the learning which I'm getting from these networks? So learning again, last but very important factors, learning is something which can actually make your life to a different path. So whether it is like your own life journey, professional journey, or your social work, so
Hmm.
learning plays a very important role. And the purpose, and as I said, EQ, these are the three important factors which I believe in, and I say that, okay, please stick to these, at least minimum to these three factors.
Right.
And whenever you are in doubt, take a pause, introspect, and then start again with the new learning, with the new system which you have understood.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us on this show with such an insightful session you shared with us. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.